Okay, so as I promised, we're doing the swirl method. And here we go. Okay. I've already done a couple, and the first one was a fail because my chocolate was too hot. So here we go. Let's see if this one works. And there you go. Beautiful swirl. Take a quick sprinkle to that real quick. And release. There you go. Beautiful swirl method. Do not refrigerate your cake pops after you make them. If you're going to do this method, leave them on the counter so that they are dry and matte and not tacky or anything, because you don't want that sugar to stick to the non-swirl. You only want it to stick to the swirl. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be posting tutorials more often for my YouTube. Same as my name on this page, Glorious Sweet Treats LLC. So, you all have a very blessed day, and let me get my order done.